Tonight is not just any night, it is Chand Raat, the night before Ramadan begins. But wait, do you know what you should be doing on this special night? Most people miss these powerful sunnahs and du'as. Are you one of them? Stay with me till the end, because I will reveal the forgotten sunnahs and a powerful du'a that can change your Ramadan entirely. Islam, where we bring you authentic Islamic knowledge with deep stories and wisdom. If you love learning about Islam, make sure to like, share and subscribe. And comment Chand Raat Mubarak below. Chand Raat is the last night before Ramadan, and it is a night where Allah opens the doors of mercy. Did you know? The Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, and the Sahaba used to prepare for Ramadan days before it started. How prepared are we? Tonight, let us make sure we are fully ready. But how? Here is what you should do. Make sincere dua for the best Ramadan. The Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, taught us that actions are judged by intentions. Tonight is your chance to make a powerful intention for Ramadan. Say, Ya Allah, grant me a Ramadan full of barakah, forgiveness and nearness to you. Forgive and seek forgiveness. The first step to a successful Ramadan is to remove grudges and negativity from your heart. Send a message to your loved ones. Make peace and start fresh. Pray. 2. Rakat of gratitude. Shukr Salah. Ya Allah, you have given me another Ramadan. Alhamdulillah. Show gratitude by offering 2 rakat nafil salah tonight. Recite this powerful dua for barakah. Allahumma barik lana fi Rajab wa Sha'ban wa balighna Ramadan. Translation. O Allah, bless us in Rajab and Sha'ban and let us reach Ramadan. The Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, used to say this months before Ramadan. Have you recited it yet? Do not miss this. Tonight, say this one special dua that can change your entire Ramadan. Ya Allah, allow me to fast sincerely for you and forgive all my past sins. Make me among those who will be saved from hellfire in this Ramadan. Ameen. Here is a quick checklist to make sure you are fully ready for Ramadan. Set your Ramadan goals. More salah, more Quran, more dhikr. Cleanse your heart. Forgive and ask for forgiveness. Make a Ramadan plan. Daily worship schedule. Donate something today. Sadaqah multiplies in Ramadan. Pray tahajjud. Tonight, ask Allah for a blessed Ramadan. Did you find this helpful? Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to Zak Islam. Let us make this Ramadan the best ever. Comment below. Chand Raat Mubarak. If you are excited for Ramadan, share this video with family and friends so they do not miss out on these sunnahs. Hit the bell icon so you do not miss our daily Ramadan videos. Chand Raat Mubarak. May Allah bless us all with a beautiful Ramadan. Ameen. Zak Islam, your source for authentic Islamic wisdom.